Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Today, I just want to update you guys on some of my portfolio regarding Defiance and YieldMax. So let's get right into it. Old poor Panda needs some cash money. Can Defiance and YieldMax save the day? I think the answer is yes, but not quite yet because there's so many Defiance and YieldMax products that are in the pipeline. I actually want to kind of have some dry powder because there are some stuff that I would like. For example, like the EEMY when that comes out, I think I want to pair that off with triple QY. And then recently we found out about the I Spy from ProShares, so that looks interesting. So that can kind of go kind of like in like the end of the month, and that could flush out like that part of the portfolio. But anyway, so triple QY, I didn't buy enough. I bought some additional shares, but I didn't get them in time for like the December payout. So we should still see some maybe some good stuff in January. Coney unfortunately stayed the same. Tesla stayed the same. Coney, like I got some. I'm, I'm kicking myself because I like when I had the chance to buy it like around like 18. I should have just like pulled the trigger on some more, but I guess it is what it is. Tesla, the same thing. Although I think I might still have some time to pick up some more Tesla shares. I mean, but there's so much like stuff coming out that like I'm like trying to figure out like what to do. So Jeppy, I only picked up 100 shares. I was also testing out some cash secured puts. So in a way, it was a success because I was able to let them uh, like half of them expire worthless. So it was a profitable trade. So I can kind of like reload. Or actually, now that I think about it, I can probably like I'll wait until like the I Spy comes out and kind of maybe do maybe like another video kind of comparing Jeppy and I Spy. Like I guess whenever that comes out on December 20th, and then afterwards in January, I can maybe see if I can pick up some shares. Shomo, I kind of left at like 100 shares. I'm fine either way. Like if there's something else that I see, I can probably just get rid of it later because there's only 100 shares. Well, let's just get right into it. So triple QY, I got 495 bucks. So it's a slight dip, not too bad. Uh, January should be a lot better. Coney paid me $73.85. Tesla, it's like a little bit over 100 bucks. Jeppy, I bought 100. So I tried four cash secured puts that expired worthless. So I'm thinking either reloading or waiting for iSpy to see if they have options when they come out. So there's a lot of interesting things that can be done. Shomo, I don't mind keeping it for a trade, or like if I see something else that catches my eye, I can free up some capital by just dumping this guy. Uh, so I'm fine either way. I just want to show you like from because I like splitting up my money in different locations. So I'll just share you like the tasty trade fills, and then also like the Thinkorswim fills as well. So as time goes on, like once I free up some like older trades, I'll have more money to kind of put to work within like Defiance, YieldMax, ProShares, maybe Neos even. Really, there's so much good stuff coming out that like you know, it's gonna be kind of like a good challenge to see which ones will get like more of my money. I would prefer to kind of split things up between like the Zega managed funds and like other firms, because I really don't want like too much money. As much as I like and I respect the work that Defiance and YieldMax are doing, there's still like kind of like one big managed group. So I kind of like would like to spread more money out, like if I can. But anyway, like these monthly payouts, like they feel real good. Ideally, I like to split them out amongst like differently managed groups across like the month. Uh, so yeah, I mean, you Zoomers and young millennials, uh, you don't know how good you have it. I really wish I had like these funds, when I was in like my 20s. Of course, like you guys have like your own unique set of challenges that you have to work through, but yeah, I think like these funds, like they'll help catch you up. I know like things are still kind of rough for people out there, but I think these are like a good way to kind of uh, solve some of like your problems, well, at least like financially. So, well, and just to go over the risks, the expense ratios are still kind of up there. We can't choose our own strikes, although I like that we can still like analyze like the trades in like real time. So that's a definite plus. Implied volatility, unfortunately, is kind of trending down as the market heats up. So like our yields might suffer a bit, and definitely like the prices can always get cheaper. But so far, like they're starting to head back in the right direction. The yields won't be like consistent month to month. You can't borrow against all of them yet. And, sometimes like catching falling knives, like it feels bad, but it pays off in the long run, as long as you keep uh, your overall cost basis like pretty low. So if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. I have a lot of ideas like kind of in the pipeline, and I would like you guys help to kind of like spread the kind of like the gospel of like these yield max and defiance funds. I think they'll make like a positive difference in people's lives. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys make a lot of good money too. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.